Hey guys, American Jedi Warrior here. This was sent to me by Riptide to do an opening and unboxing. This is their Riptide leather case gun cleaning kit. Comes with a leather case. Looks like a 12 gauge bore snake, a 9mm bore snake, a 30 cal bore snake, and a 22 cal bore snake. This comes with a brush to get the hard to come clean spots, some Q-tips to get into the tight spots, some patches. Also comes with their Advanced CLP Plus. And it comes with this kit. I know there's another kit that comes with two separate cleaners. Comes with another gun cleaner. Their cleaners are extremely good. Comes with a spray nozzle. And for the CLP, comes with a little needle pointer, sticker, and essentially a business card. I will be making a video cleaning one of my guns with this setup. As always, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.